Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Deskjet D1663 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we go to the YouTube description. In a YouTube description, I give two links. First is the Google Drive link and second is the mega link. Open any link that you want. I click on the mega link. You can also click on the Google Drive link, and mega link is open in a web browser. After that, here we find our mega link. Here we find our driver name or the printer name. Click at here download, go to the download and click on standard download. Click on standard download. It goes to the downloading and it takes few seconds. First is download on our web browser, and after that it started download on the top. It takes few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds to complete these download options. In a few seconds our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in a folder, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file. This setup file is the actual zip file and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it, click on extract files, click on the OK. Here we find newly created folder or unzip folder, double click on it. Here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. Close it. We are going to install this driver. That is very easy. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner at the top, here we find add a printer or scanners. Click on add a printer or scanner and wait for a few seconds. New options are pop up in a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and if you find .4_001 HP printer device, anything about HP, then select that. If you not find any HP port, then go to the next option, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you find. Click on the next. Go to the Havadix, go to the browse. Go to the desktop, go to our newly extracted folder, double click on it. Here we find some files, select any file. All file contains same driver, select any file, click on open, click on OK. Here we find HP Deskjet D1600 series. It is a series printer. Series printer include many printers, including our printer name HP Deskjet D1663. 1663 is also included in this series. Click on select that printer, click on the next. Give any name that you like. I give HP Deskjet D1663. Give any name that you like and click on the next. It's installing our printer and it's take few seconds, so be patient and wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share this printer in a network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finished. Next option is check our printer is properly working or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find HP Deskjet D1663, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.